Hi, my name is Krista Julius, and I want to welcome you to watch Web 2.0 Basics Part 5 Screencast-O-Matic. Previously, you may have watched our 4 other parts of the series. Doodle, Google Docs, Nitro PDF, and Prezi are all covered in this series of how to use the basics of various Web 2.0 tools. Focusing on Screencast-O-Matic, this video will cover how to create an account and log into your account, how to record the actions of your screen, and finally, what you can do with the video once you have recorded the actions of your screen. I apologize that this video does not follow the exact format of the 4 previous ones of this series. I was unable to utilize the same program to record mine because the other people in my team used Screencast-O-Matic, and you can't use Screencast-O-Matic to record Screencast-O-Matic, so I had to use a different program. So bear with the changes, please. We'll get started. Screencast-O-Matic is a Web 2.0 tool which allows you to record the actions of your screen and share them with others. This would be useful to record lectures that are using different computer programs to explain how to use those programs, video tutorials to explain how to use different computer programs, or to show people how to do things on the computer. Screencast-O-Matic, the free option, allows you 15 minutes to record, and today I'm just going to tell you the very basics of how to use the program. First, I will find a video that I had created to show you how exactly Screencast works. As you can see, it puts a yellow circle over the cursor, which shows you where the mouse is moving so that viewers of your video can see and follow along exactly. As you can see here, this is just a very simple recording that shows the users how to draw the smiley face and type into the word bubble, things like that, just something very basic to show somebody how to do something. You have the option of activating a microphone if your computer has those capabilities, utilizing a webcam if your computer has those capabilities. However, we're not going to go over those specific things today. But I will show you where those options are and how you could further explore that yourself. So now that you have an idea of what the Screencast-O-Matic looks like once it's finished, we're going to go through how to do it. First, we're going to go over how to create and log into your account. Then we'll talk about how to record your actions. And we'll finish with how to save or publish your video. So starting with creating your account, it's very, very simple. In your web browser, once you open that up, you can just type in www.screencast-o-matic.com. That brings you right here to this home page of the website. In the upper right-hand corner, you select Login. To register, you'll go to the right-hand side where it says Register and type in your email address. You want to type in the email address one more time just to verify and ensure that it's the correct one. And then you'll create a password that you'll be able to remember in the future. Type that in again to verify it. And then agree to the terms of service. Obviously, if you'd like, you can click on the terms of service, go over them, select the back button on your web browser to return to this screen. You might have to re-enter your password in. And then once you're all set to go, you select register, and that creates your account. It's that simple. Right after you do that, you can log in. So you want to go back to this page where in the upper right-hand corner you select login, and then type in your email address. Now, I didn't actually select register because I already have an account, but it's very, very simple. You're not missing anything by not seeing me do that. Then you type in your password. You can have it remember you if you'd like. And then you select Login. That brings you back to the main screen where you'll see that you're logged in by your email address being in the upper right-hand corner. So creating and logging into your account is as simple as that. Now we'll go over how to record your actions using Screencast-O-Matic. In the upper right-hand corner, select Start Recording. It's that big blue box. says start recording. Once you select that, you'll be in screen recording mode. You may have to select run for Java to run and allow the program to start. If you don't have Java, you will need to download that, the updated version of it, to be able to utilize this Web 2.0 tool. I'm going to close out of this because that's not important right now. So once you start recording, you'll find a frame on your screen. Just waiting for mine to pop up. Oh, I have to delete this. Apologize for that minor technicality. So you'll see a frame on your screen like this one, the white and black dashed line. On the bottom left hand side there will be the toolbar that shows you all the different things you can do with Screencast in recording the actions. You can drag and resize the frame. I recommend actually not resizing the frame because that distorts the quality of the picture, makes it kind of pixelated, but you can move it by putting your cursor on the dashed line and just dragging it to wherever you want to go like that. So once you have it where you want it, you can hit on the toolbar on the bottom left again. You can hit the record button, which is the red circle. You just select that. It gives you a really cool countdown that counts down to the recording, and then it lets you know that it's beginning. Now, if at any time you wish to pause, you can select the pause button that is in the same spot where the record button once was. You hit pause, and then this is a great feature because it allows you to go from screen to screen without your viewers seeing all the minor details that you're doing, things like that, just so that they're only seeing the important things. So once you are back where you need to go, you can hit record and it picks up right where it left it after it does the countdown. So then it gives you how much time you've used and how much time you have left in that toolbar as well. And then if you want to restart at any time, if you mess up or you realize you're not doing it right, you can select the restart button. It gives you a pop-up box here. Are you sure you want to restart your recording? You can either select restart or hit cancel. And that pauses it. So then you're going to want to push the record button again. It will do its countdown again. And then you can just go about your business continually. If at any time you are done recording, you select the done button, and that brings you to this screen here. I'm going to make it so that it fits into our whole screen so we can see it. You can select the play button to review your video, and then that's how you record your actions on your screen. It's really very simple. In that toolbar, when you first hit start recording, you could activate the microphone or webcam if you have those capabilities, but we're just doing the basics, so we're not going over that. But the thing right here after you're done recording is the preview box, and from here is where you can publish and save your video. So the first option is to publish to Screencast-O-Matic. To do that, you select that option right there. Just click on it. Give your video a title. You have to give the title that's indicated by the red asterisk, but you can also give it a description, create a special link for it so that you can send that link to other people so they can access your video. You can add notes at certain parts of the video. You can have a certain note pop on the screen. You can add captions so that people can read what you're saying and listen to it at the same time, or if they can't hear, they can just read what the words are that you're saying. There's advanced options. We won't get into that though with the basics of the program. And then there's these boxes. Do you want the video to be able to be searched on Screencast-O-Matic? Do you want users to be able to add notes for each other? Do you want users to be able to leave comments? Those are great things if you want this to be an interactive thing with whoever is doing the video. Once you're done, you select upload to SOM, and then that's as good as done. If you select go back, we'll go over the next option, which is publishing to YouTube. In order to do that, you just select it, and then the final option is to publish the video file to save. We're not going to go over the details of publishing to YouTube today because you have to create a YouTube account, have the login information and stuff, but we're not going to go over that today. We're going to talk about now the most important one, I think, which is publishing to a video file. That's saving the file to your computer. I think this is the most important because from here you can do whatever you want with the video. You can publish it to YouTube, you can post it on a board for others to see, you can send the link the document out as an attachment in emails. It's just really the simplest thing because you can have the easiest access to the video right from your computer without having internet access. So that's just a great feature there. So to do that, you select Publish to Video File. You select the video type, whatever you want it to be. QuickTime might be the best thing. Change the size. It's probably best just to keep it at full size. Again, as with publishing it to Screencast-O-Matic's website, you can add notes at certain points. You can add captions. Then there are advanced options, which we're not going to get into. But once you have all of that as you want it to be, you can select Save Video. And then you'll get the pop-up box to choose where to save your video. If you want it to be in your documents, in your videos, on your desktop, you just select that, pick the folder, give it a name, and then hit Save. I'm not actually going to save this video since it's just a little thing. But those are all the things that you can do with your video. So I just went over all of the basics of Screencast-O-Matic, how to create your account, how to log into your account, how to record your actions on your screen, the very basic functions of recording your screen, and then I talked about how you can publish and save your video. So I would like to thank you for tuning in and learning all about Screencast-O-Matic, and I hope you're able to utilize this Web 2.0 tool in your life. Thank you for watching. I hope you learned the very basics of how to use Screencast-O-Matic and that you will be able to utilize what you've learned into your daily job or routine. I also hope that the other 4 videos of the series were helpful for you as well. You can access these other 4 parts, being Doodle, Google Docs, Nitro PDF, and Prezi, by selecting one of the links that you can find in the description of this video.